In the previous section, we have looked at various types of project lifecycle, including predictive, iterative, incremental, agile, and hybrid project lifecycle. And now in this section 4, we are going to look at one of the project lifecycle that we have mentioned, which is the Agile project lifecycle. Agile. Agile is actually a mindset about how we want to deal with various issues in a project. So in short, Agile is about attitude. All right, as we see here, Agile is a mindset. And what is a mindset? Mindset is actually human attitude, human behavior towards various issue, various aspect of a project. All right. So in general, in a agile project management, the key mindset behind it is focusing on being adaptable, being flexible, emphasizing on collaboration, emphasizing on continuous improvement, continuous delivery, emphasize on being responsive to changes. All right. The key idea of agile mindset is actually based on or is informed by the Agile manifestos. So what is a Agile manifestos? It is actually a document, okay, which consists of guidance, all right, that describe or prescribe, okay, how one should create and respond to changes, okay, and how one should deal with uncertainty in our business environment. Basically, it consists of 4 values and 12 principles, in which we are going to look at them one by one. And it also has its own frameworks and practices. So let us look at Agile Manifesto's 4 values first. All right. This is very important. Okay. This, as we have understand from the beginning, Agile is a mindset. So what is the attitude? What is the behavior that are being valued the most, okay, in Agile Manifesto? The first one is about individual and interaction over processes and tools. In short, what it's trying to say here is that we have to focus on the project team members, all right, their feedback, their interaction, and their interactions with customers, right? This should be emphasized first, okay, compared to rigid project processes or traditional tools that being used, okay, in a project management or in an organization. Okay, so what they emphasize on is actually human, individual, and their interactions. And then the second one, the second value that's being valued, okay, being emphasized in Agile Manifesto is working software over comprehensive documentation. We know that in the past when we develop, for example, software, develop an information system, in the past we have been advised, okay, to emphasize on the documentation so that the future information system maintenance and upgrade will be smoother. It can be better. All right. But in this agile mindset, what is being emphasized is actually the working software. All right. Which is the continuous delivery of partial working parts. All right. That's being emphasized. Okay. The emphasis on working software. There must be some output, okay, some releases or some version being delivered to the customer in a continuously. All right. And then the third value is actually customer collaboration. All right. We want to understand what are the user requests, what are our customers' requirement. all right, their requirements may change from time to time. So, collaboration with customers is very important rather than a rigid, okay, contract, uh, okay, written in a very, okay, rigid way, such that this is what should be done and what should not be done. All right. So, what's being emphasized here is actually the customer collaboration over contract negotiation. All right. Okay. The fourth value is being responsive to changes over following, a fixed plan. In short, it's emphasizing on being flexible and adaptable to the ever-changing business environment.